Are you looking for the best sewing cabinets? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best sewing cabinets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Harriet Full-Size Sewing Cabinet. The Harriet Sewing Cabinet is designed to enhance your sewing experience with its versatile features. The hydraulic lift offers 3 positions, allowing you to easily switch between free arm, flat bed, and storage modes, making it convenient for various sewing tasks. It also accommodates most standard sewing machines, supporting weights up to 55 pounds, so you can work with confidence. Additionally, the cabinet includes 4 spacious drawers for organizing your notions and accessories, keeping your workspace tidy. You'll also find interior hooks for storing embroidery hoops, ensuring everything you need is within reach. What we like: easy assembly, good quality materials, spacious design, handy storage options, sturdy construction. What we don't like: some assembly issues. Number 2. Sauder 414873 Sewing and Craft Cart. The Sauder Sewing and Craft Cart, also known as the Sauder 414873, is a versatile and functional piece of furniture designed specifically for sewing and crafts. With its drop leaf feature, it provides extra workspace, making it easier for you to complete your sewing projects or engage in various crafting activities. The cart also offers ample storage space, with a roll-open door that reveals 2 storage bins and a hidden shelf for your sewing machine. The melamine top surface of the cart is heat, stain, and scratch resistant, ensuring its durability and longevity. With its compact size and soft white finish, the Sauder sewing cart is not only practical but also aesthetically pleasing. It is delivered directly to your door by a small parcel delivery service, ensuring a contactless and hassle-free delivery experience. What we like: easy assembly instructions, stylish and functional design, good storage capacity, sturdy construction, compact and mobile. What we don't like: plastic components feel cheap. Assembly may take longer than expected. Number 3. Harriet Full-Size Sewing Cabinet. The Sewing Cabinet offers a versatile 3-position hydraulic lift, letting you easily switch between free arm, flat bed, and storage modes. This feature helps you adapt your workspace to different sewing tasks, enhancing your efficiency. It also has a spacious lift opening that accommodates most sewing machines weighing up to 55 pounds, ensuring compatibility with your equipment. The cabinet includes 4 large drawers for organizing your notions and accessories, making it easier to keep your supplies at hand. Additionally, it features 4 hooks for storing embroidery hoops, helping you maintain a tidy sewing area. What we like: hydraulic lift for versatility, accommodates most sewing machines, ample storage with large drawers, embroidery hoop storage hooks. Number 4. Best Choice Products Folding Sewing Table. The Best Choice Products Sewing Table is a versatile and convenient craft station that offers ample storage space and a mobile, space-saving design. With 2 rows of pegs, 2 bins, 1 large interior shelf, and a spacious tabletop, you can easily organize your yarn, pins, scissors, and materials. Whether you're tailoring clothes or working on other crafts, this multi-purpose station provides a dedicated workspace. When not in use, the table can be easily moved to a side table thanks to its wheels with casters. The convertible side table design allows you to tuck away your supplies and close it into a compact piece that blends well in any room. The MDF wood build with metal hinges ensures stability, while lockable wheels and magnetic door locks keep your supplies secure. Enjoy the convenience and functionality of the Best Choice Products Sewing Table. What we like: easy assembly, well-labeled parts, adequate storage space, good value for money, quick shipping. What we don't like: minor wobbliness, material quality could improve. Number 5. Christa Sewing Cabinet. The Christa cabinet offers an impressive 2-position manual lift, allowing you to easily switch between free arm and flatbed sewing positions. This flexibility enhances your sewing experience, making it easier to handle different types of projects. The cabinet's large lift opening is designed to accommodate most standard sewing machines weighing up to 45 pounds, providing a secure fit for your equipment. Additionally, the rear quilt leaf and side leaf extend the work surface, preventing larger projects from dragging on the floor, which helps you maintain a tidy workspace while you sew. What we like: ample cutting and sewing space, compact design for guest rooms, excellent work surface area, quick delivery with all parts, functional drop-down lever. What we don't like: complex assembly instructions, occasional missing hardware.